Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to leave a class in Khan Academy. First of all, what you have to do is launch open Khan Academy application. You can see over here Khan Academy application has been opened. Make sure you're logged in to your account. So in order to leave a class, what you have to do is tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. You'll not be able to find the direct option for leaving the class, but what you can do is simply remove the teacher. For that, what you have to do is tap on this option, Manage Teachers. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the teachers interface. You'll be able to see the list of all of your teachers over here. So if you want to leave a class of certain teacher, what you have to do is simply remove that teacher. For that, tap on the remove icon that you can see right next to the teacher that you want to remove. Now once you do that, this kind of pop-up will appear. Tap on this option, remove. Now you can see over here that particular teacher will be removed. Now you'll be removed from that class too. So like this, you'll be able to leave a class. So that is how you leave a class on Khan Academy. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.